when I'm feeling pretty low or I wake up with anxiety, I come here and I stand by the trees and the water and the birds and the flowers and the plants, because this is my healing agent, healing my body, getting me in the right frequency of healing, because Mother Nature is the biggest healer in love and laughter and hope. Mostly self-love and allowing others to love us and to remember what is truly earth medicine. We have all we need. And then we have wonderful doctors and scientists that have come up with things that will help us. And I'm utilizing them all. And I'm sending love to all those that are in the same boat as I'm in, but for those who are struggling today. Love you.